Kipulit harangkat kikali SOT, kilati bat kishir kila setap ya ke Silang Press Club mentagasngi, kana tarik unador arajar arhusau. La sakiru baki pulit ladan hapulau jang Silang Press Club, kabelan hapola shmian nadu kapor kadu bidia mistap. Abala kali kipulit kiletu bakan ni ke jengwan setap ya ke Silang Press Club, keriadian balayo jengtiap bakasang Jakat Guru Shankar Charya Ji Maharaj, kabel pemra ban kran sikila patai kubor, halo ke jenglap ban sange bamdo masi. Kipulit kila pentip bagi la shim ya ke sinjam, Mate la kami ka huriura ka bala banmi namar bakasang HYC kakak banyak kendu ya ka Jagat Guru Shankar Ji Maharaj. Asakiru bagi dekat HYC kilawan hajan Silang Press Club harangkat ke jeng pertabat kipakat ke bakentup kemasi uksau kimde kikwi jungi kahak bamdo kasyang hangi.
Dar seprang sipai gari. Dar seprang sipai gari. Dar seprang sipai gari. Dar seprang sipai gari. Dar seprang sipai gari.
Are you planning to stop them?
No. Just to talk to them.
Stopping care.
Keren niki. Keren niki. In kali kay gajang tumu gajang ki. We have watched them how they given statement in Arunachal, in Nagaland. Their intention is that to bring a ban on cow slaughter on beef consuming.
Okay.
Kumbafitip hangi tingi beef is something that ingi ban. Kimla bomaki kinwan dictate ingi. So we want to understand their point of view. Kata.
I think it's best if you
Em hang
stand
kan.
up.
Em lah dah kiwan pat bunyi kenduk kum.
No, opposite the gate. Opposite the gate.
Okay,
Yeah,
no
opposite
problem.
the gate. Stand opposite the gate. When they come,
Yes, ngin kenduk yaki ngin keren ngin kali an ngin penpau ru but any plan to help to ban pelong rally apo Meghalaya hi dibunala.
that we will talk that.
Alright.
Alright. So please.
Em there ketika gate ba sedai.
Ketika gate opposite to the gate.
Okay,
Opposite the
ya
gate.
sedai.